Labas vakaras. Nukosim, darysim agurkėlius su česnakais.
Hello and welcome. On this episode we are filming yet another pickled cucumber recipe, this time with ketchup. We cut cucumbers in rather small pieces because it helps the flavor to soak in, but of course you can cut them as you want. A big batch, but it's only one of many this summer. Anyway, so here we have 5 kilos or 11 pounds of cut cucumbers, to which we'll add 2 tablespoons of salt and 250 milliliters or 8.5 fluid ounces of sugar, then a quarter kilo or 0.55 pounds of chopped garlic, 200 milliliters or 6.8 fluid ounces of vinegar, 175 milliliters or 5.9 fluid ounces of oil. Mix everything. The last ingredient in this recipe is half a kilo or 1.1 pounds of tomato ketchup, preferably with as little preservatives as possible. Mix everything well and leave it for the spices to soak in. Some of your subscribers told me to show you more, so say something. Kažką sakyk.
Nieko nežinau, aš čia, ką tu čia šneki,
Tai kažką papasakok.
Ką aš pasakosiu? Oi, kaip skanu čia, kad tu žinotum.
After a couple of hours or so, give it a good stir and put it on medium-high heat to boil it. It got pretty dark, so we had to turn on the lights. Fill the containers with some cucumbers, then close them tightly with the lid and turn them over. Bear in mind that both the container and the lid have to be sterilized.
Iš puodo viskas į stiklainius. Dabar sudėjome ir uždengsime ir per naktį laikysim, kol atšals. Viskas. Oi, misija baigta.
After that, you can put them in a normal standing position, but keep them in a cool place for future consumption. A rather easy recipe for the ones who want some pickled cucumbers for the cold season. Thank you guys for watching. It will help a lot if you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and consider pressing the bell button to see our videos first. And or use one of the links in the description below to support us. Again, thank you and goodbye. Cheers. Skanu atsigaivinti, ne?
Oi, kaip skanu.
Atėjo vakaras, kol mes čia paruošėme.
Pradėjau Romai 6 valandą, taip? Nesvarbu, rytoj bus išeiginį, reikės daryti.